Microbiological agar is an important material used in cultivation and isolation of microbes. This video will show you how to prepare potato dextrose agar or PDA. PDA is a microbiological media used for a wide variety of fungi. PDA can be prepared using ready-made dehydrated media or also can be prepared using fresh potatoes. Thanks to the helping hand, Miss Aubrey, my postgraduate student, for assisting me in preparation of this video. This is a ready-made dehydrated PDA. The media consists of 200 grams of potatoes, 20 grams of dextrose sugar and 15 grams of agar. We will resemble the composition for preparation of PDA from fresh potatoes. As mentioned earlier, the PDA consists of potato, dextrose and agar. For preparation of 1 liter of the media, we need 200 grams of fresh potatoes, 20 grams of dextrose or sugar and 15 grams of agar. However, we increase the agar from 15 gram per liter to 20 gram per liter for more solid agar media. For the purpose of this video, we will prepare 250 ml. Therefore, we need 50 grams of fresh potatoes, 5 grams of dextrose and 5 grams of agar. After that, the media need to be sterilized using an autoclave. Miss Aubrey will demonstrate how to use the autoclave.